Hello there, I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple trick that helps me a lot in fixing my focus. For me, focusing is very important because it makes it easier to remember information, which increases my knowledge and productivity across the board. But I discovered that the majority of the time, whether I was listening to a live or recorded lecture, my thoughts would wander. Sometimes, I leave the information presented knowing nothing at all. Then, I discovered that the trick I'm about to share with you is very useful if I needed to focus while listening. Here's a tip. When you're listening, try to keep your eyes fixed on the speaker. As much as you can, keep them in your line of sight, telling your eyes not to stray to any nearby distractions. Then, if your brain is wandering, try to repeat in your mind the words that are being spoken. If you find it difficult to follow exactly, just mentally repeat any words that are spoken. If necessary, repeat this whenever you find that you are having trouble focusing, or that your mind is wandering. Keeping your attention on the speaker and the words being said will be very beneficial. As a result, you will comprehend the information clearly and possibly remember it longer. In fact, the majority of the time when I took surprise quizzes in school, I was able to get a perfect score, thanks to this strategy. Try it out and let us know how it goes in the comments section. Please like and subscribe if you appreciate this video. Thanks for watching.